Life has never been so hard, and it's getting worse day by day. But it shouldn't necessarily be hard for you. So why is it? Why most people suffer indefinitely while the top 1%, which is just a tiny portion of the world's population, enjoy the fruits of financial freedom and live in luxury? Well, it all comes down to how you think about money, where some thoughts can take you up amongst the 1% and some can eat up on your finances forever. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Pushpinder Maan, and today we will talk about some of the basic myths middle class has about money that are not entirely true. But before we go, I would like to thank you for being here and also request you to subscribe if you're new here. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Myth number 1. Money makes you evil. Well, money is powerful, but it's a mere means of exchange, an exchange of goods or services between people. As many times we heard, money is the root of all evil. That doesn't make it any true. Money is nothing more than a medium of exchange. It doesn't make people good or bad. Best it can do is enhance for who you already are. If you are a jerk, it will sure make you an even bigger one. But if you are kind and caring, you will be much more kind and caring. And to top it off, you will also have the financial resources to affect your life and lives of others. You can make your city a better place, or if you have money like Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, hell, you can even make this earth a better place. Myth number 2. Money causes stress. Now we know money isn't evil, that's for sure. But there is another problem too. They think money causes stress. Quote, "You shouldn't talk about money," end quote. That's what the middle class tell their kids. And when those kids grow up, they have been programmed to think of money as some evil thing that only the rich people can control. And they do get stressed about money when they have to pay bills. That's how they keep living paycheck to paycheck. Whereas the wealthy people purposefully teach their kids about money from a very young age. That's how those kids understand business and finances so easily. And the kids become adult from middle class, they have a hard time understanding the fundamentals of how markets work. Middle class teach their kids to get a good education and get a job where they will be working for a wealthy person whose parents taught him about money. So understand one thing, money doesn't cause stress. Instead, lack of money causes stress. Myth number 3. You can become wealthy working a regular job. The rich don't work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. Because they understand that all jobs have a limit to how much you can earn, as they all are depending on time. You get paid for how many hours you have worked, and there are only 24 hours in a day, which if somehow you manage to work all 24 of them, you still won't be much wealthy. Unless you are a high-income skill worker, like a doctor or a lawyer, which has its limits too, but it's far better than the normal jobs. There is a limit to how much we can work and how much we can get paid per hour. Whereas the upper class, they hire other people to work for them, hence putting their money to work. And there is no limit to that. Myth number 4. You can save enough money and become a millionaire. Well, saving money also won't make you rich. Just like working at an hourly wage, it also has limits. You cannot save more than what you have earned. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't save or saving money is a bad habit. Everyone should save some portion of their earnings for sure. But not for it to sit around and do nothing, but to invest it in assets that can generate more income for you, income that you can then invest in more assets that can make you even more money, and that's how you can create wealth. Lastly, be patient. things don't happen overnight. Keep pushing forward and keep investing in assets that generate you money. And let the snowball effect do its magic. Oh, don't know what a snowball effect is? Well, that's a topic for a different video. Maybe next week. If you don't wanna miss out on that one, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know as soon as the video goes online. If you enjoyed the video and learned something valuable today, please like, share and comment. Or if you don't like the video, you can always leave me your best 8 comments and I will still appreciate you for that. Stay safe, keep hustling, and I will see you guys in the next one.